Hello there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to view the Rocket Fuel Insights for a campaign using the Summary Dashboard. To get to the Summary Dashboard for Rocket Fuel Insights, we first need to navigate to our campaign dashboard, as I've done here. From the campaign dashboard, click the drop-down menu for Learn and select Summary. This takes us to the Insights Summary Dashboard for the selected campaign. The information you are seeing here on this summary dashboard are signals or attributes that Rocket Fuel's moment scoring technology has found valuable as it optimizes media spend across audiences, messages, and environments. These insights can help you make smarter decisions for your other media buys, perhaps for print, outdoor, or even broadcast. On this summary dashboard, you'll see a variety of reporting attributes like geo, content, time of day, and so on. All of the data presented here is reported as performance lift against the campaign average. It is displayed as a percentage. Either a positive percentage number, which indicates above the campaign average, or a negative percentage number, which indicates below the campaign average. As we can see here in our drop-down menu, there are two different metrics for the Rocket Fuel Insights on the summary dashboard: the click-through rate lift percent and the conversion rate lift percent. Let's start with the conversion rate lift percent and look at our geo map. From the legend, we can see that the color blue represents a positive lift against the campaign average, while the color red represents a negative lift against the campaign average. The darker the blue, the more positive the lift. The darker the red, the more negative the lift. On our geo map, we can see that the state New Mexico has more than a 50% positive lift. This means that if we were evaluating an impression on state alone, then we'd expect an impression in New Mexico to be at least 50% more likely to drive a conversion than the average state. In contrast, we'd expect an impression in California to be 50% less likely to do so. But please keep in mind, our models don't look at features like state or time of day in isolation. They are looking at a combination of many different attributes all at once to evaluate an impression. That's why we emphasize that the insights here can be good information for strategies in less optimizable media, but should not be considered for constraints on Rocket Fuel campaigns. Now let's take a look at day of week. Here we see that Monday has the highest positive conversion rate lift percent for the week. But is this the same for the click-through rate lift percent? Let's go ahead and switch to the click-through rate lift percent and see. As you can see for this particular campaign, Saturday has the highest positive click-through rate lift percent. This indicates that, compared to the campaign average, Saturday has the highest positive lift for clicks, while Monday has the highest positive lift for conversions. Go ahead now and spend some time on the summary dashboard looking at the other attributes to see which audiences, environments, and messages generate the most success for your selected campaign. The Learn More link located below each signal or attribute will direct you to the Insights data table for more detailed information. This is where we'll be going in our next video. This concludes our video on viewing the Rocket Fuel Insights for a campaign using the summary dashboard.